What are the current federal estate tax limits? This is a good question. Currently, each person gets $5.49 million in taxable estate before the federal estate tax would kick in. That means if you're married, you each get $5.49 million. That's for 2017. For 2018, that's slated to increase to $5.6 million per person. What this means is if you're married, you can shield up to $11.2 million in assets before the federal estate tax would kick in. Now, what is the federal estate tax? Currently, it starts at 18%, goes all the way up to 40%. Your first $1 million of assets over that 5.6 in 2018 or 11.2 if you're a couple, is a graduated rate from 18% to 40%. After that first million, everything is taxed at 40%. That's a pretty significant tax rate. So if you have an estate that's approaching these limits, you should think very carefully about consulting with a qualified estate planning attorney to talk about ways you could perhaps reduce your estate tax liability at death. So that's the federal estate tax in a nutshell. There may be changes to this depending on if the rumored tax reform takes place, but right now we can only guess as to what that will be. Great question, and thanks for asking. If you have questions for future video blogs, please submit them, and I'll try to answer them in the order received.